Yeah, it's been a while since we did the video, and today we're outside. It's nice and beautiful to work on the front Dana 27 rear end. This is Bear's Rod Shop once again. This should be video 11, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But we've had this tore down for a while. I don't know if you can see this. All right, let me adjust the camera stand a little bit. But the thing had been power washed 2 or 3 times and full of dirt and debris on the outside. But today we're in here and we're going to swab out the inside. You probably have watched Brian and them clean up parts and sandblast, etc. That's what we're getting ready to do today, is degrease. And since I have a trim shop, we have staple guns running. We put Scotch-Brite gray. We got bukus of it here at the body shop, and I'm going to use this wooden pole. I have a brake cylinder home that I've used before on axle tubes. It works real good. It decided to break off at the threads. I have not had time to remachine or put on, then reuse it, or I'll be using it. But this is kind of unconventional. We do what we can. All shops do. First, we've got to get all this nasty grease out of here. We don't want to be sandblasting, pushing this into their sandblasting area. So this is just a short video today. Let me adjust this up. And we hope the sun is not too bright out here. It's beautiful. But that we can get some more progress done over the weekend. And just wanted to let you know that we are still diligently, proceeding on the CJ5, but we just hadn't had time to video, and a few things with the wife has come up. We have a little bit of a private medical issues we had to take care of, and so we got that done. So, anywho, y'all, please thumbs up, subscribe, come back and visit, and we'll try to get where we can get us a good helper. My daughter's so busy, and my wife, she's always busy in the house, and but I need to get somebody. I really like old Matt that's over there now at Metal Shaper. Him and Brian are making a good team. You guys keep that up, Brian. And Maria, we don't see you much in the videos. We don't see my Sammy, my bride, in the videos much, but we need to get these gals back involved. Get the grease underneath the fingernails a little bit, so then they can go down to the cuticle place or whatever they do and get out of the house for a while. But anyhow, we're trying to get some better videos out here soon. And Brian, appreciate you putting a list together. Thanks for the manual. Couldn't done it without you, buddy. Once I finish this thing, I'm going to mail it back to you, and I'm not going to have any old greasy fingerprints on it, because I know better than that. I have manuals that have gone back 30 years, and I don't let my sons touch them because I'm afraid they'll have greasy fingerprints on the pages. So, you guys come back, check us out, and good Jeeping to all.